Are you tired of uneven shelves, crooked pictures, and misaligned tiles? If precision is key in your DIY projects or professional renovations, a laser level could be your new best friend. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best laser levels on the market, from compact options for small spaces to heavy-duty models designed for construction sites. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, finding the right laser level can make all the difference in achieving that flawless finish. Join us as we delve into features, benefits, and our top recommendations to ensure your next project is a resounding success. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, TopPicksNow.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. HYCHIKA 50 feet cross line. Our pick for best budget laser level. If you're in search of an affordable yet dependable laser level for occasional projects, the HYCHIKA 50-foot laser level could be a perfect fit for you. This user-friendly tool projects red horizontal, vertical, or crossed lines up to 50 feet, offering the accuracy you need for straightforward tasks like hanging shelves or pictures. You'll find navigating the controls quite simple, with just one button to power up the device and select modes, and another for locking or unlocking the laser. However, do keep in mind that the instructions can be a bit unclear, especially regarding the self-leveling feature. Once you familiarize yourself with its functionality, you'll likely appreciate how efficiently the laser operates. One aspect to consider is visibility. Like many red beam lasers, it may be challenging to see outdoors or in low-light conditions. Additionally, although the HYCHIKA laser holds up well even after being dropped, it does take about 90 seconds to reset. It includes a magnetic mounting bracket, but you'll need to supply your own tripod, as it's not included. Fortunately, it's compatible with a standard one of 4-inch tripod pole, allowing you to enhance its versatility. While not tailored for precision-heavy projects, the HYCHIKA laser level is an excellent choice for your basic home improvement tasks. If you're looking for a reliable tool to help you tackle your next DIY endeavor, the HYCHIKA laser could be a valuable addition to your toolkit. Number 4. CIGMAN Self-Leveling 3D, our pick for best 360-degree laser level. If you're tackling an entire room at once, the CIGMAN 3x360-degree self-leveling laser is the perfect tool for you. Featuring 2 vertical and 1 horizontal 360-degree beam, this powerful laser level simplifies your tasks, helping you achieve precision in your projects. Equipped with essential accessories, the CIGMAN laser level enhances your experience. The pivoting magnetic wall mount allows for versatile positioning, while the green laser target makes it easy to see the beam even in bright environments. Plus, the included mini tripod mount doubles as a 1 of 4-inch to 5 of 8-inch adapter, allowing you to secure your laser on larger tripods easily. The tripod also features a precision adjustment for fine-tuning alignment, ensuring your work is flawlessly executed. To make the most of the rechargeable battery, the CIGMAN offers 4 brightness settings that can provide between 6 to 30 hours of use. Notably, it's the only model on our list with a remote control, letting you adjust the beams and their brightness without needing to touch the device, adding convenience to your workflow. When you're finished, store everything securely in the hardcloth case, designed with a luxe molded foam insert to keep your laser and accessories well protected. With dimensions of 3 and 7 of 8 inches by 2 and 11 of 16 inches by 3 and 3 of 4 inches and weighing just 12.04 ounce. This compact laser level is ready to assist you in achieving accurate results on every project. Number 3. Huepar Self-Leveling, our pick for best laser level for outdoor use. If you're in the market for a reliable laser level that performs well outdoors, the top-rated Huepar model might just be what you need. Designed with extra bright lights and comprehensive coverage, this laser level excels at delivering clear, crisp lines even in bright sunlight. You'll appreciate its capacity to project lines across your yard, making large outdoor projects much easier to handle. One of the standout features of this level is its user-friendly setup. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, its quick and easy self-leveling mode will ensure you achieve precise results without hassle. You can also switch between two brightness modes, allowing you to adjust the visibility depending on your surroundings. Durability is another strong point of this model. The padded case and robust construction help it withstand the rigors of outdoor use. You'll find it equipped with a 360-degree horizontal line, a vertical line, and two plumb dots to assist with alignment, making it a versatile tool for various projects. However, keep in mind that its sturdy build can make it a bit cumbersome to carry around. Overall, if you're looking for accuracy, durability, and ease of use for your outdoor leveling needs, this Huepar laser level is designed to meet your expectations effectively. Number 2. Klein Tools. 93 LCLS, our pick for best heavy-duty laser level. If you're on the hunt for a reliable laser level that stands up to the rigors of a job site, the Klein Tools self-leveling laser level should be at the top of your list. Designed with durability in mind, this level excels in tough conditions. So much so that during our drop test, we were more concerned about the floor than the tool itself. If you're familiar with Klein Tools, you'll know that high quality is a hallmark of their brand. But it's not just the ruggedness that makes this laser level special. The bright red beam is impressive, remaining visible even at 8 feet outdoors, making it a valuable asset for both indoor and outdoor projects. The beam's thin one of 16-inch width ensures precise visibility, and with only a 1 of 32-inch deviation at 15 feet, it ranks among the best in accuracy. Additionally, the included hard case with metal latches offers further reassurance, keeping your level secure and protected no matter where your job takes you. Measuring 5 and 3 of 16 inches by 5 inches by 2 and 3 of 8 inches, and weighing 26.66 ounce, this laser level is compact, yet robust. With features like vertical, horizontal, cross, and plumb spot configurations, a range of 65 feet, and helpful accessories like a pivoting magnet and wall mount, you'll find everything you need to tackle your projects with confidence. Invest in quality. Choose Klein Tools. Number 1. DeWalt Line Laser, our pick for best laser level overall. If you're in search of a reliable laser level, the DeWalt model stands out as a top choice. When you first unbox it, you'll appreciate the quality packaging, complete with a sturdy hard case featuring metal latches for durability. This case not only protects your tool, but also offers a sense of security when transporting it. As you examine the DeWalt, you'll quickly notice its exceptional build quality. The pivoting magnetic mount is incredibly strong, securely attaching to various surfaces, while the wall mount with a built-in clamp makes installing drop-down ceilings a breeze. It feels like having a helpful assistant by your side, ensuring your projects go smoothly. When in use, the DeWalt's red beam impresses with its brightness, outshining competitors both indoors and outdoors. It provides precise measurements, with 0 inches of deviation over 15 feet, making it as accurate as you need it to be. With a beam thickness of just 1 of 16 inch at 15 feet, expect clean and distinct lines every time. The self-leveling feature activates quickly, stabilizing in seconds, even if the tripod gets bumped. Plus, the use of AA batteries means you can easily replace them as needed, preventing interruptions during important tasks. With extra battery slots in the hard case, you'll be fully prepared for any project. In essence, the DeWalt self-leveling laser level doesn't just elevate your work, it redefines the standard for what a laser level should be. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. And let us know in the comment which laser level you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.